Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn about an important concept in Odoo models, inverse in computed fields. We will see what it is, why it's used, and implement an example in a school management model. So let's get started. Let's take an example of a student full name. In our school management module, suppose you have three fields, first name, middle name, and last name, and you want to show another field, full name, which combines them. But you also want the user to be able to directly edit full name and automatically update first name, middle name, and last name. That's exactly where we will use compute and inverse together. Here, I had not used the inverse in compute field, so when I try to edit full name field, it will not allow me to edit as it is a computed field and it's a read only. To fix this, we add an inverse method which tells Odoo how to write back changes from full name to first name, middle name, and last name. So we declared full name in compute and inverse. In a compute full name, we had simply joined the first name, middle name, and last name. And in inverse full name, we split the full name into three parts: first name, middle name, and last name. So, when you open the student form view after saving the code and running the surveys and upgrading the module, so if you type any changes in the full name, it will also allow me to edit. And when I save the form, the changes will occur in the upper fields also: first name, middle name, and last name. So, this is the importance of inverse. Without an inverse method, the field will only be computed and read only. But with an inverse method, you make the field editable and keep the related fields in sync. So, this is a very useful for keeping data consistent and user friendly. So that's it for the today's tutorial on inverse in Odoo models. I hope you understand the concept clearly with this school management example. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Odoo tutorials. Thanks for watching.